Hey, Steven.
This is the new
Say
camera
hi.
I'm talking
Yeah.
about, the DJI Pocket.
No, action 2. Which will overheat?
Which will overheat. So you gotta keep the conversation very short. The
Very
DJI
short.
Action 2.
I only got 6 minutes with it.
Oh my god, good luck, good luck.
Hi everyone, Richard here. I'm currently at this event. It's called the ServerDNA 6. This is the sixth time they have this. And currently, let's go inside. This is for gamers and streamers and cosplay. So it's quite interesting because we'll see a different range. It's a major event since we've been on a lockdown for a long time. So this is quite exciting for everyone because they get to do the event. At the same time, stream. This is a hybrid event. That means there will be limited participants. And at the same time, they will be streaming. So people will be watching online. So let's go in and have a look and see. Hi, thank you. Hi. So this is a check-in for their partners and their medias. So you can see this is where the waiting is, and then the cosplay preparing there. So let's go in and have a look. So this is a setup. So you can see everyone is streaming here. I hope you're getting the mic. I'm testing out a USB mic with the Action 2. So I'll try to shoot this whole event with the Action 2. And you can see. So it's a hybrid event that you will see mixture of Hey Steven.
This is the new
Say
camera
hi.
I'm talking
Yeah.
about, the DJI Pocket.
No, Action 2. Which will overheat?
Which will overheat. So you gotta keep the conversation very short. The
Very
DJI
short.
Action 2.
I only got 6 minutes with it.
Oh my god, good luck, good luck.
So you can see the equipment setup here is crazy good. So the streaming here, and that's the event ServerDNA. So I won't be shooting in 4K this time. I'm just shooting it in 2.7K with the horizon steady on for the Action 2. And I have the Osmo Action right on my top head as a secondary camera for point of view, and also in case this one overheats. So if the Action 2 overheats, at least I still have a footage from Osmo Action. So now they've already live streamed, and you can see we are on the stage. So what the viewers will be seeing is the whole screen, and hopefully this will be a great successful event from the previous one, because the previous one had lots of people viewing at the site at the event. So this year with the virus, so we're not having a full-on live event. We're just doing hybrid. So, and then you can see from the statistics, from the streaming statistics, that how many people are actually joining in streaming for 2 days. So 2 days the ServerDNA 6 will be on, and they'll be doing from morning to night. So it's amazing if
and amount of participants joining. So I'll try to get the stats for all the events on my next video, which is tomorrow. Today is just a first day intro where they start this, and all hands on deck. You can see everyone is there on the stream. So this is a good event that will put the gamers. So the tagline is IamOne, IamGamer on SDNA 6. So this is a good event for the gamers. Hi, multi-camera here. So this behind the scenes you can see, and that's what they're doing. And the streamers are behind here streaming this event.
So we're back in again. So all the streamers are starting already.
Ready for the early lucky draw? Alright, cool.
So this is Potato Queen.
We can't see.
Look at that. Okay.
Alright, cool. So here's the thing about our first lucky draw for the day, right? If you guys have checked in
It's like free cookies. Free cookies. Okay.
you are eligible and basically you're part of the early bird lucky draw right? So we got
So you gotta do free cookies here.
double check if you have checked it or not. Because you need to check in.
So it's great that we're getting community, streamers, gamers, cosplay community here, and singers. So this is good time for everyone to get out because we've been stuck for a long time in the house. And this is how being part of the event is great. So, but we need to stay safe, right? So that's why they're streaming it. So who else is here? So that's Anna's streamer. Look at that. Look at she's got a solid rig here. Look at that.
You're tired.
Look at this.
So this Saturday, you don't wake up early. You wake up 12.
So that's a rig.
But this is a good reason to wake up early on Saturday. 24 inches of. Alright, guys.
So that's a rig that she has.
I've never given up a monitor on the first time.
And this is behind the scene.
You can put it down,
So they need to sign in. Cameraman.
Alright, and our first winner of the day is an LG monitor. 16 centimeters. Is that the name?
Okay. So they're having a lucky draw here. And you can see who's the winner.
One Muhammad Hafiz bin Asmir. Are you here?
So that's the winner for the lucky draw. And they're giving away big prizes here. It's no joke. It's a huge amount of prizes. Let's say hi to Sophia. And She's been on stage just now. So it's a pretty good event, just that everyone will be in mask unless even on stage. So to be safe, because the new variant is out, unless you're quite far away from everyone else. And let's go out and see if we can get hold of any of the cosplay people. So the banners are there. Also, they are hidden behind here. So they're behind here, preparing themselves. This MiHoYo Cafe. So this is where they are. So this is Kingston. Yes, right. So this is the rig. There's no light. Your light is off. Upgrading. Okay, Monster Power is here. So what else we have here? Logitech is here. So that's Logitech. Logitech is right. So that's what they have. MacTech. Look at that, all that. What's that inside? So they're all excited because Kingston is giving away because Kingston is giving away their very expensive RAMs. That's why. And that's Mandy. Hey, there's Snap here. She's behind the mask. Oh, she can took it off. Okay, that's her. Hi. So that's MiHoYo Cafe. Okay, they're being served. Oh my god, this real cosplay. They're being served lunch. Look at that, they're being chaperoned and by for lunch. Not bad. Look at that. So everyone will be very happy to have their lunch here. Right, look at that. So interesting, right? So yeah, you have a cosplay cafe. Who wants to have lunch here, right? So interesting. So that's all, guys. I think I'm just taking a half day here to have a lunch and then shoot off to elsewhere. It's fun here. I'll come back again tomorrow. Hopefully I can catch some other things tomorrow. Tonight will be very massive. They will have a lot of events and parties and things like that. So I won't be around. And I'll see you all tomorrow. So this is the first day of the ServerDNA 6. And do log on to their stream. I will put the links to their streams and videos of the, what they have here the full 2 days. But this is the first day. I'll be back again tomorrow. And I'll see y'all. Do give me a thumbs up. And have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye, everyone.